you've been paying for AI video tools like Runway or Kling, you might want to sit down for this. In 2026, Grok AI quietly released a completely free unlimited video generator, and it's hidden in a part of their interface that most creators never even think to explore. The companies charging you monthly fees are counting on you never discovering this, but today that changes. We're about to uncover a tool that could save you hundreds of dollars and completely change how you create video content. Let's not waste any time. Before we dive into the tutorial, I want you to see what Grok's free video generator can actually do. Free AI video, no credits, no watermark, and absolutely no subscription required. This was all done inside Grok's free tier. The quality speaks for itself, and it's hard to believe this is available at no cost. Now let's get into exactly how you can unlock this for yourself. To find this hidden gem, start by heading to grok.com, not X and not the mobile app. You need to use the website. Once you're inside the chat interface, look for the media icon, click it, and you'll see a video option. This is the feature Grok never promoted or advertised. Select it and you're now inside a powerful tool that most creators don't even know exists. It's that simple to access but easy to overlook if you do know where to look. Now let's talk about how to get the best results. If you use generic prompts, you'll end up with generic, low-quality videos. Here's the formula you need. Start with the shot type, then lighting, followed by the subject's action, and finally the style. For example, cinematic close-up, golden hour light, woman running through foggy forest, film noir style. Stick to the structure every time and you'll consistently get impressive cinematic results. Before you hit generate, there's one more crucial step. Switch Grok to thinking mode. This feature pre-processes your prompt and corrects visual errors before rendering the video. Most tutorials skip this, but it's a game changer. Turning on thinking mode can double your output quality, making your videos look much more polished and professional. Don't overlook this step if you want the best possible results from Grok's free tool. See how Grok stacks up against the competition. Here's a side-by-side comparison. Kling 3 costs $28 a month while Grok AI is completely free. For creating shorts, social content, or running faceless YouTube channels, the gap between paid and free tools is closing fast. When it comes to pure value, Grok is the clear winner. You're getting professional-level results without spending a dime. Oh, how can you turn these free cinematic videos into income? It's simple. Use them to build a faceless YouTube channel. With zero investment, you can create engaging content that attracts viewers and grows your channel. This is a huge opportunity for creators who want to start earning without upfront costs. The possibilities are endless when you have access to high-quality free video generation. Want to take your results even further? I put together a prompt sheet with my best formulas and examples. If you want it, just remember the phrase Grok free. This resource will help you consistently create stunning videos and get the most out of Grok's hidden tool. With the right prompts, you'll be able to stand out and maximize the value of this free generator. Wrap up. Grok AI's free unlimited video generator is a game changer for creators. By following these steps, you can unlock a powerful tool that rivals paid options and gives you the freedom to create without limits. Remember to use the right prompt formula, activate thinking mode, and take advantage of the resources available. The era of paying for basic AI video tools is over. It's time to create smarter, not harder. Like if you want more insane AI hacks, subscribe to our channel to stay ahead of AI in 2026.